In this video, we'll be diving into one of the most powerful social skills you can learn: how to tell a good story. You know that one friend of yours who can make anything sound interesting? The kind of person who can turn a simple trip to the grocery store into an epic quest for avocados? Yeah, today, that person can be you. Because storytelling isn't about having wild adventures. It's about how to present the moment. We like to think pleasure what grabs our attention, but as we already looked at, what really hooks us is anticipation. That's because of good old dopamine. When dopamine is active, you become more focused. You have better memory, both of which are good traits for a conversation. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. Me and my business partner set up a sales meeting with one of the biggest pie producers in the valley. We were buzzing with excitement at the opportunity. But little did we know it, at the time, that it would turn out to be one of the worst sales meetings of our lives. We showed up at the headquarters, but the parking lot was empty. The lights are turned off. Strange. We knocked at the door. No response. My heart started racing. Stomach started getting knots. Thoughts raced through my head. We mess up the meeting time? Or the location? Frantically messaged the lady we were supposed to meet with, hoping we could get service in the parking lot. To our great relief, we got a response. Be right down to let you in. The panic subsided, but it was only for a brief moment. The lady let us in. We joked about being late and then wanted to start the meeting. But then the lady tells us the board is waiting upstairs. The board? Thought we were just meeting a manager. It was too late to back down now. We started up the stairs, and just when we thought the worst part was over, the lady turned, said to us, and that's where we're going to end the story, on a frustrating cliffhanger. Feel that frustrating? Desire to know more? That's dopamine in action. Fortunately, all stories activate dopamine, but here are some techniques to maximize dopamine release. First up, we have open with a loop. Say something like, I shouldn't have survived that bus ride today. Or, what happened next honestly surprised me. Or, one part of the story I still can't explain. All these openings open a loop, and the brain naturally wants to close them. Another technique you can use is using mini cliffhangers. You say something like, and then the weirdest thing happened. Or, just when I thought it was over. Or, that's when I realized I made a huge mistake. Each one pushes curiosity forward. Finally, we have slowing down right before the payoff. Humans instinctively lean in when you slow down right before the twist. Try this yourself, saying something like, okay, here's the part you're not going to want to believe. Dopamine spikes not when something happens, but when something might happen. This is why curiosity isn't just a feeling. It's a neurochemical hack for engagement. Use it properly, and even the most ordinary moments become interesting. All right, time for practice. Let's build your storytelling instincts. Use this prompt for your AI practice today. The more you practice creating curiosity, the more magnetic your stories become. That's it for now, learners. Keep the story going, and we'll see you in the next video. Want to learn more? Subscribe for video updates, or check out my full courses. 3 links in the description below. We'll see you around. Keep learning, and may God bless you and your family.